The core responsibilities of the Advanced Capabilities team are to build experimental versions of the next generation set of autonomy features enabling the Merlin pilot. We're focused mostly on building the foundational capabilities to enable future autonomy that can reduce crew workload and eventually work towards pilotless operations on some aircraft.
Right now, our team is working on 3 specific capabilities. One is autonomous navigation. We're also working on emergency landing. And the last use case is automating checklists. So the pilot speaks with the system, and the system speaks back to the pilot, and together they complete the checklist.
The pilot feedback that led us to develop these capabilities comes from what pilots tell us are the highest workload or most challenging parts of operating an aircraft. So anytime there's pilot decision-making involved, that's where we think putting autonomy on the aircraft can reduce the pilot workload and potentially reduce errors and increase safety.
Because obviously, if you're trying to fly a plane, there are a lot of really important things that you need to stay on top of at all times. And so the UI can't distract from that in any way. And all of that should be doable in just a few seconds with really minimal finagling from the pilot, because the pilot has to do this in parallel with all of their other tasks.
Merlin is focusing on automating these things on the aircraft. The other thing that Merlin is doing differently from some of our competitors is ensuring that we can integrate with existing operations and the existing national airspace system.
One of the most exciting things about working on the Advanced Capabilities team is we're really in the forefront of what is happening in aviation in terms of what's possible and how that can make the world a safer place when it comes to flying.